So, hello guys, welcome back. So, from Dunkin, we're here at McDonald's, Balutan. Friend, ano sila kay Tagako, ano sila? Fresh from Australia, mahal kayong balot dito.
Tag 200 ang balot.
And together, we still have our honorable councilor.
Hi!
Our honorable councilor
Impersonator Cup.
from Jingog. So, we're eating balot.
Penoy.
Palod ko dito ni free na nina.
Diba?
29.
Snake.
Nice. Very nice.
Mangaon sa mi guys. See you tomorrow. Gunta, ma-post ninyo before mag 2027. Bye guys.
Bye.
Ay.